Is your management insight being delivered through static, time-intensive and cumbersome slideware and spreadsheets? Is your decision-making slow and uncollaborative, often based on feeling and not hard, up-to-date facts? As enterprises become more data-driven, executives and key decision-makers need to be fully equipped with the right tools for the job. Our solution has been carefully architected to meet this need for executives who want to drive change with confidence and agility. Let us introduce you to the Observation Deck by ClearPeaks, a highly modern, visually impactful, secure, collaborative and interactive data experience for all fact-based decision makers who just want to get the job done accurately, confidently and as a team. And what's really cool is that it leverages your existing BI investment in report and dashboard assets, ensuring no duplicate costs and a reliable and consistent data story. With simple finger touches, navigate from a global performance picture of your business into the different functional areas securely, easily and intuitively. Compare current to prior period performance, target to actual or budget KPIs, all with a simple swipe of the finger. Make collaboration with your team easy and seamless. Act in the moment and become a truly responsive, agile organization. Don't just analyze, it's time to live your data.